Morning, my dear students. Today we continue unit number 8 and we shall do session number 6, that is print the document using mail merge. This is your unit number 8 and session number 6, print the document using this is the session number 6, print the document using mail merge. Yes, my dear students, do you know what is mail merge? Yes, mail merge means suppose that we want to send one letter to many users. Then how we can send? With the help of mail merge, we can send a similar letter to different recipients. Suppose that this is my one letter and same letter I want to send to 100 recipients. Then how I can send? LibreOffice provide us a facility that is called mail merge. With the help of mail merge, we can send a same letter to different recipients. In mail merge, there are two documents. First one is main document and second one is your data source. Now, main document. Main document means suppose that I want to send one letter to different recipients, then letter remains same. Main document means main document contains the text that remains same for all recipients. Now come to the data source. Data source means it contains the recipient name, address, phone number, means the data that will change, then data source contains that data. Clear? And mail merge means combine the main document with data source. Clear? There are two things that we require during mail merge. First one is main document means it contains the text that we want to send to all the recipients, and the second one is here data source means it will contain the name of the recipient, address of the recipients and the phone number, country. It's up to us what kind of data we want to set, then we will feed in data source. Now let's do the steps how to perform mail merge. There are basically 6 steps. If we want to perform mail merge, then there are 6 steps. Come to the first step, that is step number 1. First step is select starting document. First, we click on tools and then mail merge widget. First, we in menu bar there is one option tools, then click on mail merge wizard. Clear? When we click on mail merge wizard, a dialog box will appear. Mail merge dialog box wizard, dialog box will appear, and in that wizard we have to follow 6 steps. Now come to the first point. Select, this is your step number 1. Select starting document. Your step number first is select starting document. When you click on select starting documents, you will find there 4 options. First one is use current document. If you want to use the current document, then click on this dot. And second one is create a new document. If you want to create a new document, then you can click on create a new document. And the third one is start with existing document. And your fourth point is start from template. Among all these tabs, you will click on first use current document. Now step number 2, select document type. Clear? In first step, you have to select the document and it will ask for 4 options. Use current document, create a new document, and the start with existing and start from template. You will select the first options, that is use current document. Now come to the step number 2. After click on use current document, there is a step number 2, select document type. Select document type. When you click on select document type, there you will find 2 buttons. First one is for letter and second one is for email message. Because right now we want to send one letter to many recipients, that's why we click on letters. But if we want to send mail, then we click on email. But in this session we do letters, that's why I select letter from step number 2. Now come to the step number 3, that is insert address block. Yes, this is the main step, insert address block. Means in this steps we insert the addresses of the persons to whom we want to send letter. And here on the right hand corner you will find option create. When you click on create, a new dialog box will appear that have different fields like name, address, phone number, country, state. This kind of fields will appear there. If you need only name, address and phone number, just fill text here and then click on OK. Clear? It's up to you how many fields you want if you want to send a letter to different recipients. Now, after create a address block, now the step number 4, that is create salutation. Create salutations means suppose that you want to add any salutations like to whom it may concern. If you want to write dear sir, you are sincerely, this kind of salutations if you want to write, then you will click on create salutation. And after that your step number 5, that is adjust layout. In adjust layout you will set the layout of document. Means here it shows the address and here it shows the letter. Means here it shows your data source information of the recipients, and here it shows the main document, that is your letter. Clear? In layout step you will adjust that. Here it shows the data source and here it shows the main document. And now come to the step number 6. And now step number 6 is edit document and insert extra field. Edit document and insert extra fields. Yes, when you click on edit document and insert extra field, it will fill all the data sources addresses into your main document. Suppose that this is your letter, here is the letter, and now you create 10 recipients. It fill that first recipient detail here, second recipient detail here, and first recipient detail, then letter, second recipient detail, then letter. You can simply take the printout of all this and you can post as many users as you want to post. I hope mail merge concept is clear to you. Now I also tell you in laptop how you can perform all these operations in LibreOffice Writer.